Morning, folks. It's Monday morning today, and here is the view of the sun at 9:55 in the morning. Look at the clouds, oh, so beautiful. There, the clouds are rising, and the crows are rejoicing. It's partly cloudy today, folks. There's a bird there in the tree. Here, there. There you know. There's another one in that tree. Hopping, hopping. Happy birds. Hmm. I'll show you around the park. This is the view of the park today. Nobody is here yet to play. Maybe by 4 o'clock, the kids will come and play. Only the crows are here. There. Here. I'll show you around. It's partly cloudy. Not so hot, not so cold. So enjoy your day today. Let's thank God for another day. God bless everyone. See you on my next video.